So this is the outside of the house. This is the front. As y'all can see, most of the houses look exactly like this. Some of them are smaller. We have a 6-bedroom, 6-bathroom home here in what is this place called again? I can't even think of the name of it right now. Something Ridge Resort. I got a bagel. So there are kids in the house running around. Be a little noisy, but I'm gonna try to talk loud. So we gotta keep it. When you first come inside, this is the living room. You got stairs still to the upstairs. And this is the main level of the house. Good morning, Ambry.
It's on the table in there. By the bed. In there. Go in the room and get it by the bed.
And this is the kitchen. There's my beautiful godmom. And then this is the dining room area.
What you doing? Don't write on that table.
This is a nice kitchen. Of course, we got a bunch of food. There's a bunch of us in the house.
Yeah, it's right there.
And then right here, off the kitchen, is a deck. And it's just holding a bunch of kids stuff, some floaties, some water bottles, stuff like that. It's pretty big, it's pretty nice. I don't really sit out here a lot, unless we're doing like some kind of activity with the kids. Like, I think yesterday they made some and then I think today they said they want to make bath bombs. Oh, you can see the lake a little bit over there. I saw a beaver the other day in the lake, y'all. Okay. Why? Because what? We went on to the upstairs level of the house. We're not siblings. Pretty ugly folks. Kim, Janelle look come to sit with our city. Good morning, Toon. Good morning, boo boo. So this is the upstairs part. There's the bedroom right there. Good morning, Chloe.
Are you doing the room tour? Are you doing a house tour? I did one
This is another one. This is my mom's room. My mom. Good morning, Sunshine. Good morning, Sunshine. This is my mom's room. My mom and the kids. How you sleep last night?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, jeez, this stinking here.
Chloe just came out of there.
But that's the bathroom. Oh, I smell too good.
I don't know what comes out of these kids' bodies.
Okay. So this was the upstairs. Now look at my house. She's so cute, right? The upstairs is done. That was just it. It just has 2 bedrooms. And this is the little banister. And the overview you can see downstairs in the living. Look at my sister. And my niece. Hi, baby. Yeah. Good morning, Kenzo. So now we're gonna go. I showed you the upstairs, and I showed you the main level. That's my twin and my niece. And this is one room. That's my godmom's room.
It's up in the cabinet on the right side.
And then this is her bathroom. And the bathroom also has a washer and dryer. And her bathroom leads out to where we just left from. And then this room over here. Okay.
Good morning. How are you?
Come on, Camper, get out of here.
Good
morning, kid.
I'm on my way in there.
Okay.
Good morning. I had my car finished.
No, that's another room. Casey, your sister said she's on her way out.
I know.
And so this is the downstairs. It's a little messy because, honey, we've lived in here. It's a little lived in. So, let's turn on some lights. Well, let's turn on some light. Let me get all over here. Yes, that's much better. Alright. So, this is the downstairs living area. There's a TV, a couch. That's a sofa bed you can like pull out. My nieces slept on there one night. We got a few chairs, a table. I ate my nachos over there yesterday. And then you got a, what is this, foosball table with a nice pic. My cousin's room was over there. Amber and Petey and their two kids, well, their kids. And then over here to the left is my room and my sister's room. So this is my bed. Got snacks. Went to the movies yesterday. Got me some popcorn. And I was eating it in the middle of the night. Was also eating candy. Yeah, we got us a nice mirror. Her bed. She was like, for her daughter. Nobody sleeps up there. And then our bathroom. So yeah, this is our bathroom. Oh, somebody didn't flush the toilet. It was probably Emily. It just peed. Our bathroom, tub, shower. It's a really nice bathroom. And then we have our closets with my bra and my swimming suit hanging up because it was wet. And yeah, I think I got a heater in there in case it gets too cold. Because it does get cold in here, but we just turn the air down. So that's our bathroom. And that's our room. And one more time, let me give y'all a span of the basement where we sleep. And lastly, I'm gonna show y'all our deck. This is the outside deck. And this is where all the magic happens. Obviously, I can't drink because I'm pregnant. But everybody has been really enjoying themselves. Yeah. You can see a little creek over there. It's hard to tell, but yeah, you can't really see it, but it's a little creek over there. And then you can see some of the lake. And then the pool's further down. But it's not even that far. We got lucky because we are so freaking close to the pool, so we don't have to walk that far. But yeah, that's the deck. Nice size deck. And it's screened in, so we don't have to worry about bugs or anything. It's been great. And yeah, that's basically the house. I'm going to say that completes the house tour because I showed y'all basically everything. I'm walking up these steps and I'm tired. Making breakfast now. And that really concludes the house tour.